To all of you, Poonam Sharma here to teach mathematics class 2nd. So after exercise 2.1, now we will solve the exercise 2.4, page number 47, addition sums. So these I have written sum number A, B and C. See this exercise 2.4, sum number A, sum number B and sum number C I have already written on my board. So these sum we are going to solve in 4 steps. So in first steps we will solve the digits in the place of ones. In second step we will add the number in the place of tens. In the step number 3 we will add the number in the place of 100, and in the fourth step we will add the number in the place of 1000. So let us start first ones place. So 3 plus 9, 12. So see, this 2 is on place 2. So we will write 2 here. This one is carry on tens place. Then 9 plus 4 is 13. This one is also add. It will make 14. Then this 4 we will write in the place of tens. And this one is in the place of 100. Then this 7 and 1 is add 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 in the place of 100. In 1000 place 1 and 3 is 4. So our answer is 4842. Come sum number on B. So this is 1 place digit. 7 plus 6 is 13. These 3 we will write in the place of ones. This 1 means it is in the place of 10. So we will put 1 is here. Then 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 is 13. This 3 is we will write in the place of tens, and this 1 is we will put in the place of 100. So 3 plus 1, 4 and plus 1 is 5. Now we will add this step number 4, 1000 digit. 5 plus 2 is 7. So our answer is 7533. Let us come on sum number C. So see this ones place. 5 plus 3 is 18. So again 3 we will write here in the place of 1, and this one is in the place of tens. Then 7 plus 6, 13, or this one is that it will make 14. 4 we will write here in the place of 10, and this one is we will write in the place of add in the place of 100. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. This 1000 place we will add 4 plus 5 is 9. So our answer is 9443. So see part number 2, arrange vertically and add. This is sum number A, B and C. I have already arranged it in a vertical order. So see this one, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 we will write here, and 1 we will put it on the tens place. 7 plus 9 is 16. This plus 1, 17. So this 7 we will put in the place of tens, and this one we will add in the place of 100. So this 2 plus 4 is 6, or this one is it will make 7. In 1000 place 3 or 2 is 5. So our answer is 5774. Sum number B. 4 plus 7 is 11. This one is in the place of ones. This one is in the place of tens. So we will add it in the tens place. Then 4 plus 8 is 12. And this one add, it will make 13. This 3 is in the place of 10. And this one is in the place of 100. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Then in 1000 place 1 plus 2 is 3. Our answer is 3631. So come on, sum number C. Ones place. 6 plus 5 is 11. This one we will place it in the place of ones, and this one will be carry on a tens place. 6 plus 8 is 14, and this one is at, it will make 15. This 5 we will write in the place of 10. This one we will add in the place of 100. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. In thousand place there is only 6 digit, then we will write it 6 here. So our answer is 6851. So these are the sums I have solved. So students, I have solved this sum number A, B and C. Sum number D, E and F you do by yourself. This part 2 I have solved the sum number A, B and C on the board. This sum number D, E and F you solve by yourself. The exercise 2.5. So firstly, see, these are the addition with the carry. I had written only one sum on my copy. See, exercise 2.5. So firstly we will add this ones place. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 I had written in the place of ones, and 1 is carry on the tens place. Then this 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 is written here. 1 is carry on the 100 place. Then 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Again 2 I had written here, and 1 is carry on 1000 place. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So our answer is 9224 is our answer. So see, next you have to do, students, you have to do this part 1, these sums and these sums by yourself with this method. Exercise 2.6 is not in our syllabus. Come on, exercise 2.7. Use the properties, fill in the blank space. So firstly I will tell you how to do this property sums. Properties of additions. Property number 1. 2 or more numbers can be added in any order but the sum remains the same. जो उनका टोटल आए वो सेम होना चाहिए. That should be same. So see, 4216 plus 3423. Again it is written, turn these numbers, these digits, 3423 up and 4216 here. Then see the sum, both the sum will be same. So it means 2 or more number can be added in any order but the sum remains the same. So come on the property number 2. 3 or more numbers can be added in any order, the sum remains same. See, 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal 24. 7 plus 5 plus 12 is also 24. 12 plus 5 plus 7 is also sum. The answer is same. Sum is same. So then come on the properties number 3. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. See, number is written here, digit is written here. Then if we add the 0, the numbers remain same. Sum remains same. So same, if we write a 0 first, then write the digit down again, the sum will be same. So with the help of this property 1, 2 and 3, you have to solve this sum by yourself. Then exercise 2.8 is not in our syllabus. Exercise 2.9. Exercise 2.9. In this exercise, sum number 1 to 6 is in our syllabus except this sum number 4. This sum number 4 is not in our syllabus. So let us start sum number 1. See, exercise 2.9, sum number 1 is, I had already written here. Number of toys in one shop, 1780. Number of toys in second shop, 3522. Number of toys in third shop, 127. So these digit we have already write in the ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. So let us start and add it. 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 I had written here and 1 is carry on a next digit. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 1 14, 4 is here, 1 is carry on the next digit. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. So total number of toys in third number shop, that is 5429. So sum number second. Shalini had stamps 1746 stamps given by Priya. 599. So stamps Shalini have altogether. So how much Shalini have now this time? Altogether stamps she has. So total, add it. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 is here and carries on next digit. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 is here. 1 is carry on next digit. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 is here and 1 is carry on next digit. 1 plus 1 is 2. So stamp total Shalini have stamps 2345. So sum number 3. Sheetal has mangoes 1480. Sheetal has orange 2701. Sheetal has apples, fruits, apples she has 746, and all together we find out. So let us start again. 1 plus 6 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 we will write here and 1 will be on next digit. It is carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So 9 we will write here and next is carry on next digit. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So fruits all together she has 4927. So dear students, these first three sums, sum number 1, 2 and 3, I have tell you how to solve these sums. This rest of the two sums, sum number 5 and 6, you do by yourself. Thank you. Hope you understood and do it like this. Thank you very much.